How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it. So I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money with this method. So let's get started by opening your favorite browser, then open Google Maps in the browser and wait for it to load. And here go to the search of the browser and type the United States, and click on search. Wait for it to load and zoom in on the states. It's the best market where we can apply this method. So here let's choose a state or a city from our choosing. Let's choose a city in Michigan. Here let's choose Ann Arbor, or let's choose Newberry, for example. Here let's choose Newberry, or let's choose Paradise here, for example. Let's zoom in and let's choose this place. I don't think this is a city. Let's choose something else. So we need to find a city in here to choose. Let's choose Newberry, for example. Here let's zoom in on this place and let's go to the search again to type some kind of a small business to find. But before we go to find small businesses, I'm going to talk first about, so we are going to offer three different services. The first service is website creation. So we are going to check the profiles of these businesses and we are going to see if they have a website. If not, we are going to offer to create the website for them. And if they already have a website, we are going to check the website to see if it's old. Then you would recommend to make renovations to their website. Then the second service is removing the bad reviews from their Google Maps profile. And the third one is managing their social media accounts. So here let's search for some kind of a small business like auto repair shops, and let's wait for them to load. So here, as you can see, we have some auto repair shops in this area. Here you can see the results and there are all the profiles that we can check. But before that, make sure always to check only the profiles with less than 150 reviews and with no sponsored written in the top of the profile. So here let's check Virbash sales and service. Let's click on this profile and here let's scroll down to see if they have a website. So they don't have any website, so we can offer to create one for them, and that's the first service we are going to offer. And let's scroll down to see if there are any bad reviews that would need to be removed, like this 1-star review in here. They've got some 2-star reviews and 1-star reviews. So let's find those and let's offer to remove them. Here let's go to more reviews. Let's scroll down to reviews to 5-star 5. We are looking for the 1-star review. 5 stars, another 5. It's still just the 5-star reviews. We need to find the 1-star review. That's what's going to help us. So here it is. It's from 3 years ago and it's from a local guide, which is a plus. Was 400 miles from home and they couldn't get me in to put just brake pads on. So this is a bad review. That means that this small business is not helpful. didn't let this man in their shop only to just break pads on. So that means a bad reputation in the market for the business. So we can take a screenshot of this bad review and make it a convince those small business owners to purchase our service. And here we need to scroll down to see if we could find another bad review. The more we find, the better it is, and the easiest it will be to convince them to purchase our service. Another from a local guide couldn't help me from 2 years ago. So they only have two bad reviews, and the two of them from local guides. And as you know, the local guides are very trusted in Google Maps. So that means a lot of bad reputation in the market. Let's scroll down. Maybe we could find some other bad review here. Let's scroll. I think that's all we can have. Here we have a 1-star review, but there is no comments. So here we can use just these two bad reviews in order to convince them to purchase our service. So you can just take their phone number and call them, then start talking about the benefits of having a website and the benefits of removing these bad reviews from their profile, and how it could help them make more clients, eventually more money. And as I said in the beginning, you won't need any skill whatsoever. You'll just get to land the client. For example, get paid from $100 to $200 from this client. Then you'll just go to fiverr.com and wait for it to load. And here, this is the platform where you are going to hire freelancers to deliver these services in your place. You won't need to learn any skill or deliver any service. You'll just hire the freelancers, pay them from $100 to $105 for the two services, the website creation and the bad reviews removing. Here, as you can see, this one for $25 to remove the bad reviews, this one for $80 to create the website, and you would be left with the rest of the $200 or $150 in your pocket without even learning any skill or without delivering it. So that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you understand the method and I hope you make money with it. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.